Tesla is killing it with this humanoid robot. Stick around till the end to find out Elon Musk's dark truth behind the Tesla bot. I'm Rajul Raj, you're watching Simply Techie, and let's get started. Tesla is building a humanoid robot, simply called the Tesla bot. Elon Musk revealed this concept at the automaker's AI Day event. He said that the Tesla bot is intended to be friendly, but that the company is designing the machine at a mechanical level so that you can run away from it and most likely overpower it. Just in case the robot uprising does happen in the future, the humanoid robot will leverage Tesla's experience with automated machines in its factories, as well as some of the hardware and software that powers the company's autopilot driver assistant software. During the event, the company also had a mannequin version on the stage, which wasn't working. Tesla also showcased some of the artificial intelligence and supercomputer technologies that it's working on, with the goal of one day powering its self-driving cars. Things are still at a very early stage, but CEO Elon Musk says that the prototype could be ready as early as next year. Tesla isn't the first automaker to explore the potential for robot assistance. Honda was a pioneer with its Asimov series of walking robots, the first of which was unveiled in 2000. And more recently, Hyundai Motor Group has been investing heavily in this space, including acquiring robotics company Boston Dynamics last year. Tesla's history is littered with fanciful ideas that never panned out, like the solar-powered supercharger network, battery swapping, or robotic snake-style chargers. Will a working Tesla bot ever see the light of day? There is a very high probability it might work. Stay till the end to find out the dark truth why Elon Musk is building the Tesla bot. So let me tell you something about myself. I'm Rajul Raj. I'm currently pursuing my engineering degree. Wait, don't skip. There is a very big reason why I have selected this particular video to introduce myself. As I was telling, I'm doing my engineering in AI and ML, as in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. I'm currently 19, and since a very young age, I loved astrophysics and anything that is related to space and technology. But then there is one thing that I fear the most, which is time. Time tends to destroy everything in its path. Watching and reading a lot in the sci-fi genre, I have always loved the concept of immortality. There is a reason why I have selected my engineering degree in AI and ML was to study and possibly achieve digital immortality. If you know where I'm heading with this, please leave a like down below. Just like me, oh no, I'm not comparing to my smartness, they are way smarter than I am. But then there is one thing very common that they also fear, which is time and death. They, as in billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk, both have their own version of companies to research AI, like the Neuralink and the Heartland Robotics. The basic thing they want is to achieve immortality. We live in an era where technology is neither completely developed or is at the start of development. We have missed out several millions and billions of years, but achieving immortality will give us the knowledge for the next hundreds and millions of years. We will be able to explore other worlds without fear if we would survive the planet's conditions. If you basically line up everything Elon Musk has done, you will notice that it is all linked, like the AI in cars is a prototype project for this humanoid bot, or the Starlink technology to connect everything under one network so that all the bots are under one network instead of relying on huge servers. Starlink technology can send and receive data effortlessly. Next thing we know, we'll be like in the movie Chappie, Elon Musk transfers his consciousness into the humanoid bot. It will be kinda very cool if that does happen. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and comment on your thoughts on the Tesla bot. Next, check out my video on about everything you need to know about the Steam Deck. Thank you for watching and see you soon.